I'm outside. I have a baby napping. My husband told me not to do something, so without him, naturally, he should know by now. We've known each other for a long time, but I'm gonna go do it. It's not anything crazy. Don't get all nervous or anything, but we're doing the no dig landscape edging. I can do it. I'm perfectly capable of doing it and taking my time. Fingers crossed, right? No. I'm gonna put it right around the edge, obviously. And this is a replacement of the metal flashing. I didn't drop it. The metal flashing that used to go here. And sure, that would look great, but the kids were just too young and we got super nervous, and it would get really warm. So I don't know what they used, but the kind that we see at Lowe's now, it doesn't get hot. So I'm gonna put it right around this edge here. Got 60 foot of it, so maybe all the way here. And then go around, follow me. Oh, look at those little random sunnies. And then all the way across. Does that make sense? I don't know. I'm going to take you along the ride here. I got my lavender kind of sitting here. I don't know if I'm going to do that yet today. And then I transferred my CBD out. I think we're in the clear. I always get nervous because these seeds are super expensive, but they're looking beautiful. So I'm going to infuse some oil and bring that with me. That's probably going to be the heaviest thing, medicinal wise, that I'm going to be bringing with me. But everybody's looking good in here. Spinach, I think I showed you the chickens got too. Then I transferred some dahlias out here. Cucumber, tomato, and we have wildflowers coming up here, which is super exciting. My family will be here very soon, so I'm excited to show them my garden beds because they like gardening too. We're just a big, huge gardening family. It'll be nice. But the lilacs, I think not this video, but in the next video, you will see what I do with that because they're about ready here. Look at Mr. Bumblebee getting drunk in there. We always see their little butts. Let me see if I can flip it around. There we go. Yeah, we always see their little butts in the morning. It's like they passed out drinking in there, and I don't know. That's what I compare it to. I only say that to adults. I don't say that to my kids or anything. So if you have kids watching, I apologize, but I think it's cute. Look how big they are. Go in and get you some because we're taking some here. I'll probably leave the top ones for them, but on the bottom here, I'm going to do, oh, goodness. Okay. On the bottom, I'm going to grab some. And then echinacea coneflowers coming in pretty fast. That one at least. This one. And these are two separate ones. And that one's a different variety as well. Mullein looking gorgeous. And we may have found a home for the chickens and ducks. I had an original plan, but this home might be a little bit more loving. It is a close friend and we can visit them until we leave. And I know she will adore them. She has children and does all, the things that we do. So I will appreciate that. And maybe our yard won't look like this and we can paint the other side of the house. How about that? I feel like someone would be mad if they tried to buy a house and one side wasn't painted, huh? Guys. But you know what I did see? Dolly was picking a fight with Lavender, the black duck here, and Lavender got on top of Dolly and was biting her, and I don't know what happened. It set her off, so Dolly got put in her place, and she really hasn't been bothering anybody today, but we'll see. Were you taking a bath? It's a little hot, I know. Man, the weather changed, and they're all out of sorts, and the kids are kind of like stuffy. But chamomile's coming, so that's good. We can use that for some tea. This is a random tree that's growing, and I'm not going to chop it, so happy with that. Milkweed there. As you can see, I'm procrastinating because I don't want to mess this up, but I got this. Fingers crossed. Have some faith in me. I'm not going to rush through it. I'm going to do it, and I'm going to overthink it like he does, huh? The mulch is almost done here too, which is nice. So here we go. Let's see what we can do. Okay, so I have it kind of laid out here, and it will definitely fit. I did measure it before we went and got it, so I'm basically, you know, I don't even know, expert DIYer at this point. Anyways, it will fit. I just feel like, I don't know, like I obviously don't have enough of these railway ties, and they're not even railway ties, they're the plastic ones. I don't have enough for every hole, and I don't even think I have enough for every other. So I guess that's my hesitation. I don't know. I guess I could go buy new ones, but it's kind of lame. I thought there would be enough in there. So maybe I'll go every third, and then if I need more, we'll go to Lowe's and go from there. I bet you Amazon has them cheap, though. I might be supporting Amazon on this DIY journey, although I've tried my best to stay off of there. So wish me luck. I'm gonna hammer it down here. Let me go get one of those pallet hammers. What are they called? Someone's gonna correct me. It's the internet. I do like being corrected in a kind way, but okay, that works. That's looking good. This I wish was outside. Maybe we'll put it outside for our company coming. It'll be nice to have a little thing here, but okay, rubber mallet, that's what it's called. All right, let's get this going. I'm gonna stop blabbering. Okay, so quite a few naps and time later, it is done. So a lot of you were probably watching that last clip saying, I don't need one every 2. So yeah, that's true. I really don't. But I think oh, no thanks, careful. I think this really worked out. I'm proud of myself. I think I did a good job. But anyways, I'm gonna take the rest of the mulch here and get these spots so you can cover this up. We kind of started to do it over here, but we'll just need a few more bags of mulch, and then I think we're good to go. I think it will look super nice back here. I like that this is now a divided path, and as you can see, we can just put some things over there. And then I ended up putting my table over here. This will just be like my garden table. I'll make it look a little nicer than that. Maybe put a wipeable tablecloth on it, but I am pretty excited. I think it's coming together quite nicely, and this wasn't that hard. It really wasn't. It was just like working with the root system of the tree that kind of got us a little tricky there. So let me just do the mulch, and then I'll see you soon. All right, y'all, it was an all-day affair, but I think we did good. The kids and I worked super hard, and it's definitely something we'll always remember, but I think this looks great. I'm very proud of us. I'm proud of why he did so good. He was so helpful, but I think, you know, where we struggled was the tree root system, so I'll probably try and fix that in some way, but other than that, I think we are set up except for one garden bed. So my vision has come to life. I wanted to walk through it and then cattle panel across. So we'll see if we can get any trellis starts. We're gonna hit up the plant store tomorrow. And then on this side over here, I love this root. They actually cut into it when we bought the house because it needed a whole new sewer system. So yeah, that is why our half of this tree is dead, if you wanted to know. But anyways, all I need is some more mulch back there, but I would like to have just some, I don't know. I don't really want like a garden edge here. I kind of wanted rocks or wood or something like that. And then maybe planting something right here, maybe 2 things. I'm not sure yet. Irises, roses, rose, pineapple, sage, good to go there. But we'll do a little walk through. We have tomatoes and dahlias and spinach. We have more tomatoes, more dahlias, cucumbers. We have some CBD and some other flowers. I really wanted some of the peonies to pop out, but they will get here eventually. We'll just all have to be patient. I have a sunflower randomly in this thing, so yeah, I just love it. So it's gonna go there. We have lavender. We have all the wildflowers and all the cut flowers in here. We have another CBD plant. It's looking a little sad, a little yuck right here, but this is what's important, huh? So this bed needs to be moved, or not moved, needs to be planted. I'm getting distracted by a boy and a rubber mallet over there. But Vinca vine is right there. And then we just need some more mulch in this area. We have greens, broccoli, and then the edge kind of cuts off here. And I'm not really sure what we'll put on this side. I kind of wanted to put down tiny pebbles or something, but this is technically like RV and boat parking behind us. We have the 220 hookup, so I don't know. I feel like stone would be fine here, but let me know. What do you think? I need your opinions. I can never make a straight up decision, but we did have those rocks. I didn't really like them, so maybe something smaller. Definitely not sand. We don't want to be a cat litter box, but maybe mulch. Honestly, maybe we just put mulch on each side. Who knows? And then that needs to be burned, so maybe I'll start a fire tonight. And then potatoes, mullion, you know, coneflower. You know the drill. You've seen this part, but I think, you know, from each angle, I am proud of us. So 60 foot of that garden, whatever you even want to call it, flashing, it does well. I feel like 60 feet was enough, and I believe it was $42, but this is exactly what I wanted, is to see that beautiful sunset in the garden with the kids and enjoy our time here, because we're coming up. So now I know how to build a garden for next to nothing, and I hope you know, this helped you with some ideas. So yay, I am going to close out the vlog for today. Thanks for sticking with me, and I'll catch you soon. Bye.